What up, YouTube? You can't stop trading and investing with your boy James Z. Today is Wednesday. I want to get into my overnight play on bpsr and how that turned out. And then sticking to my rules today. No over trading. Just did my overnight play and then came back later on after 12:30 to see if there's anything going on. And the hype is real on dscr. Maintained above the highs. Maintained near the highs all day. I want to get into that. But before I do, man, please click that like button. Please subscribe. It is very much appreciated. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that likes to research and analyze anything I find interesting in the stock market. And I like to share that with anybody willing to listen. So, that being said, let's just get right into it. So bpsr, I talked about it in the last video. If you haven't watched it, please go and do so. I was over trading the hell out of it yesterday. One too many trades. And then it winded up dropping off and putting me down 1,600 on the day yesterday. But it had a beautiful gap up. Closed right here at 30 in the 31.6s. And then it opened in the 33s. And I happened to get it in this nice push in the morning candle. I had 80,000 shares here. I was able to collect $2,151 in this account right here. I purchased it in 3 accounts. This one I bought 30,000 shares, was able to collect a little over $700. And then I purchased it in this account, 20,000 shares, and was able to collect $585. So overall on the overnight play, I winded up making a little over $3,400. And then just to get into it, guys, you know, typical play that I usually play, first green day. We have this huge run, green candles, then 2 big reds, and then boom, first green day. So, you know, I just over traded it. I could have been profitable yesterday on it, but just over traded it and, you know, stuck to what I'm good at. And in a first green day overnight play is something that I always play. It's very good in my arsenal of strategies that work really well for me in the long run. Sometimes they don't necessarily work, but when they do work, you know, like I said, I'll collect $3,400 profit, which was roughly around like a 9% profit for me, which was really nice. So, you know, start off my day $3,400 on that overnight play, first green day play. And then I shut my lab, man. I said, you know what? I'm not going to overtrade today. As soon as I sold it, I shut my lab. And then just stayed busy all day, working on other things, working on things around the house and other little projects I'm working towards. So then I shut my lab. Now, I didn't open my laptop again until 12:30, okay? Then I opened my laptop, and dscr has been on my watch list. And there's been a lot of hype around it. Had this huge spike yesterday. Let me get into this one right here. Had this huge late spike yesterday. And now if you guys know dscr is cryptocurrency related. And you know that's hot right now, man. And so if you get into the actual daily chart, as you can, I'm sorry, let's get into the daily. You know, it's on this monster run and I missed it, which was, you know, typically I would do a multi-day breakout and hold it overnight. But I just missed it because I was in bpsr and I'm perfectly happy with bpsr. But I've been noticing the shift in the market. You know, when stocks are down, we haven't been getting a nice push like we're used to. I'm noticing strength in stocks that are breaking out. And I've been now noticing this. I noticed it a couple days. I've missed out on multi-day breakouts. DSCR was one of them, and GVSI was another one. And they had strength. You know, it's showing strength. So it's breaking new highs, and people are piling on to buy when it's breaking new highs. I mean, look at this volume right here. If you look down here, all this low volume, then boom, yesterday, big candle. Then boom, even bigger candle today. So, you know, that's really good sign of strength. And the last time we had a run here and a run here, it gapped up the third day. So I winded up buying in. Originally, I bought in here when I noticed this right here. I said, okay, it's holding near the highs all day. This is holding. This is beautiful consolidation. This is what I want to see. Okay. And then it finally broke here And I was patient this time, waited for the dip, winded up buying 400,000 shares on the dip, and then selling it into that push, and made me a $600 profit. Beautiful, sold it, done. I said, okay, now I'm seeing the strength. This could be another gap up overnight play. Typically, I wouldn't buy this because it looks overextended if you look right here, but the hype is real. The volume continues to climb, and it has history of gapping up on a third day. So, you know, that's really good signs. As you can see right here, first big candle, second big candle, gap up. You see it right there. You also see it over here. First big green day, second green day, gap up. So, you know, it has a history of gapping up on the third day. And it showed the strength towards the close. So it winded up dipping, and I winded up buying another. I tried to capture another 400,000. I was able to execute 327,000 shares at 348, and it closed at 352, which added another $109 profit. So that put $709 profit on DSCR for the day. So that put me well over $4,000 on the day. You know, and $4,000 on the day is no joke, man. You know, it's up there with one of my highest profitable days, if not my most profitable day. I think I had one just over 4,200 before, maybe a little bit more, but roughly right there. And again, how did I do that? Just sticking to what I'm good at, sticking to what has been working for me for the last 5-6 months, just sticking to it and not over trading. And it winded up working out in my favor. I was looking over my trades, and you know what? I don't have no problem showing you guys, so I'm going to show you. I was looking over my trades right here, and look at all this red within this time frame from 421 till 5/4. Look at all this red. These are all day trades, just day trading, in and out, scaling in and out. Look, mostly red lately, compared to, look, green, 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 a small portion of red, green, 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 small portion of red, green, 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 green. Look at all that green. So, you know, I just been over trading, and so I wound up going back to sticking what I'm good at, man. And so today, beautiful day, over $4,000, which is beautiful. Put me back on track for a great week. And so I winded up holding DSCR overnight and planning on selling it tomorrow morning, and sticking to the routine, closing my laptop again, and we'll see how that all plays out. So stick to the plan, man. Stick to the process. Stick to the plan. That's going to be it for today, guys. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think of my analysis. Again, if you made it this far, please click that like button. Please subscribe. You can't stop Mafia. It's a mindset movement, meaning never stop yourself, never stop your progress, never stop your education, especially in finance. Having multiple streams of income is an amazing thing, and the stock market is a place where you can do that. So bpsr, stuck to the plan, sold it overnight for a nice, a little over $3,400 profit. Closed my lab, came back at 12:30 for the end of day play. DSCR was maintaining near the highs, beautiful consolidation, had a nice push towards the close, and was able to capitalize another $700 on the day and holding that into overnight. Just stick to the plan, man. You know, we all learn, like I said, man. Progress. You know, you can't stop Mafia. It's a mindset movement, man. Never stop yourself, never stop your progress, man, and never stop your education, man. So this is progress, man. Nobody's perfect, and you know, and I'm still working towards bettering myself as a trader. So that's gonna be it for today, guys. Until next time, I'm out. Peace.